Blood relations. So I'll give you the 5 stages of relations. So then you'll have a complete understanding. First stage is grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, granduncle, grandaunt. Second stage is parents and in-laws, father, mother, uncle, aunt, father-in-law, mother-in-law. Third stage is siblings, spouse and in-laws, brother, sister, cousin, wife, husband, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Fourth stage is children and in-laws. So you'll have son, daughter, niece, nephew, son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Last stage is, fifth stage is grandchildren. There's grandson and granddaughter. If you need this, you just pause and make a note of it, or at least go through to have a clear understanding on the stages of relations, right? So here I am listing the various relations. Just make a note of it if you need, or else if you don't need, you just go through once, so that will be useful for solving our upcoming problems. You can pause wherever you need it. So we'll go to the question number 1. A's father's mother-in-law's only daughter's son is B. How is A related to B? A to B. The question, please understand the question. A to B, not B to A. Right. That is very important. Who to whom? Right. So we'll just leave this A. We'll solve from father's mother-in-law's. Okay. Father's mother-in-law's. Father's mother-in-law will be our maternal grandmother. Mom's mom. Maternal means mother side. So maternal grandmother's only daughter could be our mother only, and our mother's son is brother, right? Since the gender of A is not mentioned, we cannot say how A is related to B. So A can be either brother or sister, we don't know the gender. So this cannot be determined. The answer is this cannot be determined. If the gender was given, then that would be different case, right? If the gender was given, if it is A is a male, means that would have become brother, or A is a female, means that would have become a sister relation, right? Second question, pointing to a person, Raju said, he is the only brother of my father's mother's daughter. How is the person related to Raju? So father or brother or nephew or uncle. So Raju's pointing, someone. So he is the only brother of my, so we'll take from fathers. So father's mother will be paternal grandmother, right? Paternal grandmother's daughter will be our dad's sister, like aunt, right? Also, aunt's brother, first itself you can see brother. Aunt's only brother can be our father. Aunt's only brother can be our father, right? So how is this person related to Raju? So he'll be his father, right? Raju's father is the guy who Raju is pointing and saying. I think you're clear in this. Third question, pointing to a photograph, Ramesh said, she is the sister of my father's mother's only child's son. How is the person in the photograph related to Ramesh? So in the photograph, Ramesh, she is the sister of my father's mother's only child's son. So we'll take it from father. Father's mother will be our grandmother, that is our paternal grandmother. Paternal grandmother's only child will be our father, that is Ramesh's father. Sorry, in the sense from Ramesh's point of view. Ramesh's father, son is Ramesh, right? Sister of Ramesh. So he says she is the sister of. So it is Ramesh's sister, right? So how is the person related to Ramesh? So she is the sister of Ramesh. Clear with this problem? We'll go to the next one. Always solve logically, step by step, right? A's mother's father is the husband of B's mother. How is A related to B? If both A and B are male. Okay, uncle, nephew, father or son. So this also will break it into steps and then we'll follow, right? So A's mother's father will be grandfather, that is maternal grandfather. So B's mother is grandfather's wife. There it is given in the question. So that is nothing but she's the grandmother of A. So grandmother, that is maternal grandmother's child, is either mother or aunt or uncle. Right, child means. But since it is given both are male, so it will be uncle of A. B is nothing but uncle of A. So A is nephew of B. Right. Did you get yeah, this will be a bit confusing, but again pause it and logically think for a minute. Just see this step by step explanation. I think you'll get it. Thank you.